doing this. Stop doing this. In Excel, if for instance you're given this kind of data and you would want to get percentages downwards, I know what so many people do. People will come and tell you equals, for example, they take this 5,000, they say divide by, in this case here, for example, this 29,000, and they know that this 29,000 is going to be constantly used downwards. So they'll even go ahead and lock it like that. And then of course, they'll be able to get those percentages quite easily. So let's say percentage there, then I'll come and of course, copy this, drag this down by putting this there, and I double click, I'll be able to get those percentages easily. But this is a wrong procedure really, and quite long. I don't like it. So if I say Control Z to undo, if I'm the one doing this, I'll simply come and highlight these figures, excluding the total. And then down here, I'll go to this summary icon there, the quick access tools. I go to the totals here. Now here, I'm looking at the percentage total. You see this percentage total, but look at here, they'll be able to give me this like 100%. You can see down here 100%. I don't want that. I'll be able to look for more information. I want this percentage total because it is giving me now for the columns. So then I'll be able to click like that and I have my percentages. Thank you very much. I would want to encourage you to join my advanced Excel and business stroke data analytics CPA course. You cannot go wrong by working with me. My name is Dr. Joshua Aura, and bye-bye. Thanks for listening to me.